I don't have space to move, guys. I don't have vital space. Alright, we're out from the main thing now. Let's see if there is like a coffee shop here. Should be for sure, of course it's full. There is even 5 to go, but I would love to sit, you know, if it's not super expensive, because you never know here, it's a touristic place. I see a lot of people eating pizza, shawarma, kebab, whatever. Where should we go, guys? I see a coffee shop there, Julius Manilius, okay. Or we can simply come here and we take something to drink. Is open? This one? Or it's closed? Well, I guess it's open. Espresso the rock. Another espresso, guys, super needed. I told you I was sleeping in the bus there, it was super hot. I didn't sleep at all last night. Took the coffee and the gentleman told me there that he also has a YouTube channel, he's a DJ, very nice. When people, you know, do the same, have the same hobby, you know what I mean? Very good, we found the place, we sit, we stay a bit in the shadow to recharge the battery, because I'm super tired. Mamma mia, you saw many people there are? Because it's very famous, I mean Transylvania, Dracula are synonym of Romania. And that's why if you come to Bucharest, you just come to Bran, you come here, you visit, and look how nice is the environment, because we are close to the mountains, we are close to the Carpathian Mountains. Just like 3 hours from Bucharest, super easy to come, you can rent a car in Bucharest, or you can do as I did, take the train, take the bolt, take the bus, and then arrive here and enjoy the day. Probably when it's not so hot, because now today we reach I think 34 degrees Celsius. Not ideal. Coffee done. Let's try to catch the bus to go back now. I don't know if we can still pay with card in that bus, but let's see. Look, everything, yes, let's go. Should be just in front of where we left the bus, you know what I mean? So we took it from there, we got off there, should be in front, because should be in the opposite direction. Let's see. Apparently it's like 2-3 minutes. The next one. Let's see if I'm right, guys, if we are right. Otherwise I don't know how to get there. Let's go this way. We got off somewhere there. I guess it's the same bus that we got off, so the same gentleman should be. I just want to know where he stops. I guess somewhere here, because we got off there. Bus went through Brasov, yes?
Yes.
This one, yeah? Thank you. You waiting the same?
Yeah.
Thank you. The city continues actually, goes there is the parking. I remember when I rented the car, I parked there. There's a small park here, but the main thing is that market and of course the castle. And you can see it somewhere here, also the castle. This is the park. Yeah, that is the castle, guys. You see the castle? You can get in, you know. It's like a guided tour, I guess. I don't remember if you can get alone. For sure there are guided tours. And I saw also outside the thing that says it. But that is the castle, the Dracula Castle. Now you know. Still waiting the bus, slightly delayed, but doesn't matter. We're gonna enjoy the weather here. I heard so many languages, guys, so many languages. Spanish, French, Bulgarian, Ukrainian, Italian, of course. We're everywhere. So yeah, so many tourists, so many people who want to discover more about Transylvania, Romania, Dracula, all this. Look at the smoke there, they're doing barbecue, guys. I'm getting super hungry now. I'm already thinking what to order in that traditional restaurant, that traditional Romanian restaurant. If I have to think now that we still have 1 hour to go back to Brasov with the bus, probably without air conditioning. Woo! Boy, it's already full. People are waiting there, so I don't know if we will have space to get in, so let's get closer. La ora, what time it comes? You don't know, no?
40.
Ah, 4, okay, 2 p.m. Okay, I told you 1:30. Ah, 4 minutes. Okay, okay, thank you. In 4 minutes, guys. Okay. Guys, I don't know what they are cooking, but the smoke is getting huger and huger, like to call the firefighters. So let me tell you a bit the story of this castle. In reality, Vlad the Impaler, the one who Dracula took inspiration from, never lived in this castle. Probably passed through 3 times, but he never actually lived here, because Vlad the Impaler was actually an historical figure. Dracula was not. It's just a novelty, I think you called, a story invented by Stoker, I think is the name of the writer. And in the story of Stoker, he just referred to a castle in Transylvania. He never actually been to Romania, so never been to Transylvania. He just said a castle in Transylvania. This castle, the one that I showed you before here in Bran, well, was the one probably the closest that was described in the story of Stoker. So yeah, that's why they took this castle, but Vlad the Impaler, Dracula, never actually lived here. Bus arrived, guys.
Is it going to Brasov?
Yes.
Okay.
I will ask again, just, I don't know. I will ask now.
How much is it for that?
Here we are, guys. I'm thinking where to stay. I think the best one is here. We will stay here, guys, right here. Wow, it's basically empty now, the bus. Look at this. It was full when we came from Brasov to Bran. Now it's empty because people want to come here in Bran, in the castle. They don't want to go at this time, you know, it's like 3 p.m. already back to Brasov. Nice, we have more space, guys. And we're not close to the speaker actually, so very good. No traffic whatsoever, guys, to go back to Brasov. I thought about it because I saw before. Anyway, I told you everyone is going back to Bran, to Dracula's Castle, and no one is going back to Brasov. So not only the bus is empty, but also the road is empty. So far, I hope it stays like this because I look forward to arrive. Amici miei, I'm just booking with FlixBus from Brasov to Bucharest. I don't want to take the train actually, and it's the same price basically, just 3 lei more, like 60 pence more. So I think the bus is more comfortable, and I have heard very good things about FlixBus. So yeah, I will book this one. Is at 15 to 6 p.m. So yeah, it's currently 2 p.m. We got a lot of time to eat, to explore more Brasov. I'm really super excited to travel with FlixBus. I think it's a German company and super used around Europe. Yeah, let's see how it is. All right, done. Booked the ticket, and oh my god, I'm charging also the camera, guys. There is the cable here. I'm using this app, Omio. There is, I will put the link actually down. It's an affiliate link, guys. I will take, if you book via this link, some commission at no extra cost for you. And I love this app, really, Omio. I always use it personally. I find the buses everywhere. I use it to go to Chisinau in the Republic of Moldova. I use it now to go back to Bucharest. I didn't think actually to use it this morning instead of the train, but it's nice. I showed you again how are the trains here in Bucharest, in Romania. So yeah, nice experience. This time was super fast because we didn't have traffic. Wow, it was like 40 minutes for real, instead of 1 hour, 1 hour and 10. I'm gonna call now. Wow, from here you go to Chisinau actually. Look, Gal. This one is the brand we use, guys, to go to Chisinau from Bucharest. Brasov, Chisinau, fantastic. Chisinau is in my heart, guys, I'm telling you, I love it. Alright, Bolt or Uber, however you wanna call it, ordered. Should come in 3 minutes. Alright, where do you come from, my friends? You come from... They should come from somewhere there. Well, I don't see any Toyota Corolla though. Salut, Ciprian. Here we are, guys. We have it just there. Look, very, very nice. But I'm not sure how to cross now. How are we gonna cross now? I mean, they didn't put like, oh my god. Oh my god. Where are we gonna cross now? Here we are, guys. Sergiana, finally. We found it. I hope there is place actually, because we didn't book, of course. Wow, super full. Full, guys. She told me we have to wait 10-15 minutes. Yeah, let's sit here. We can Sergiana flavor. Look, guys, it's a chain. This one, Sergiana Office, Sergiana Center. They have more restaurants, I think. And the fact that it's full tells a lot because it's very, very good here.